These have been soaking all night, and I'm going to put them in the crock pot so that they'll be ready for supper, and I'm really excited. Good morning. It is not even 7 o'clock. The kids got up really early. They usually get up early anyway, but they got up really early this morning. So I've just taken cinnamon rolls out of the oven. I have some coffee. I'm uploading Vlogmas Day 3 and gonna put the soup on. And this morning I'm meeting my sister at 10 o'clock at the coffee shop, and we're gonna have coffee and knit, and I'm going to help her with a couple of her Etsy things because she got some orders. But yeah, I'm going to just chill until it's time to get Will to school and then try to do a little bit of work before I meet my sister. So the morning has flown by. It is 9:10, so I need to get ready to go. The town that the coffee shop is in is about 10 minutes away. I was asking Adam this morning if that seemed like like if we lived in a city, would that be like a normal distance to travel or time to travel to go get coffee? Because I don't know, we're just small town, country, rural area, so I'm curious if you guys think that 10 minutes is a long drive to go get coffee, or if that seems average. But anyway, I did get a couple new designs done, a couple more orders done, so when I get back I'll just do all that again. In a hotspot? You clever thing. You're so high-tech, Grace, for being off the grid.
I'm not high-tech. I'm just, college had really slow internet, and if you had like an assignment that you needed to do.
Oh, they're so beautiful, Grace. So I just got back from the coffee shop and my sister and I had a really great time. I loved visiting with her and getting some stuff worked out for her Etsy shop with her, and she gave me the sweetest little package. I am so earned me a beautiful spoon as well as all of these spoons, which I am going to put to use right away. A couple are for me and some are gifts, although I wish I could keep all of them. And this little guy, oh, he's so cute. He is going to go on a doorknob, I believe, because that's where I think he should go. But one of the things I'm really excited about, that she gave me is she gave me a bag of pine tree trimmings from her real tree. And it smells so good. I have heard people talk about I was just expecting that synthetic pine smell that I'm not really that fond of, but it smells almost appley. Like, it smells really good. So I am going to fill one of my baskets from a homespun house with these trimmings, and I think it'll just look so pretty. I just got back from the post office delivering, well, I didn't deliver it, shipping a very special package to a very special lady. And now that I have shipped that package, I, of course, ship orders and stuff, but I have several other Christmas packages that need to go out. So I'm going to get started on those. sure to honor him when we come. Oh, little baby, a flood. Do you know what a flood is? A flood is whenever water covers everything.
Who are new with people who trust him? Noah was friend of God. God told Noah to make a big boat called an ark. That's like
It's like a type of boat. I just finished 2 Christmas gifts. I finished these socks. They are huge. Huge, but hopefully they fit the recipient. But I finished these socks. So cute. So I have to go in now and sew down this, because see, it's not attached yet, and then I have to sew these edges down. So this will be sewed back like that, and then this will be sewed off to the edges here, so it'll be really nice and secure. And because this part is longer, it goes down here. When he opens his hand, it won't gap and let air in. So I think that he will really like these. He is obsessed with polar bears. He loves polar bears, so I cannot wait for him to get these. And another I just put yarn across Siri's face. Another pair of colors. This is a really dark purple and cream, to make a pair for Rory, but she wants kitties on hers. So I've just tried to, I know you probably can't see it, but I've tried to adjust the chart as best I can to make it look like a kitty. So I hope it works. Pass that on tonight and probably sew his mittens another night, because I don't really feel like it tonight because it's finishing work. That's fit to